In Zimbabwe, we had 2 trials, we did not succeed. In Lira, we had some disagreement over who should be who in the Lira district. Mbale City, we have to do some elections of entrepreneurs. The other places in Mutumba, I've said we have to do some elections there. Amonata, we did not complete elections in Amonata. So we have few places, about 7 districts out of 151 districts, which is a very small representation, but we shall handle those elections. The only disadvantage we have now is that electoral roadmap is like a moving train. When one system ends, another one comes into order. Right now, we are in the process of candidates for members of parliament and LOC5 chairperson. And like you know, nomination of these candidates will end on 30th. But in the middle of this week, 26th, we start SEC nomination. SEC expression of interest. Central executive members will come to express interest. And this will climax on Saturday when the chairman of the party, who wants to be the chairman of the party to renew his contract with the party, will also express interest. And will express interest here, and that day is exclusively for him. Because the others have many days, he has another business as a president, so we give him Saturday, 28th, exclusively for him. When we finish with expression of interest of SEC members on 1st, nomination of SEC members starts on the 2nd up to 4th. And the last day, 4th, will be nomination of the chairman of the party, which will appear.
It will do it by consensus. Kato kutesa bakugana ne basalawo ndi bonna besobola ne bagenda mu kalulu. Ne tukozesa amaanyi g'abantu eyo ye people power. Kakati tugenda kubeera n'okugyayo empapula z'abantu abagala okwesimbawo ku kifo ky'obwa president obwa Uganda. N'abo abaagala okuvuganya ku bifo by'obukiiko obufuzi obw'okuntiiko obw'NRM gye bayita Central Executive Committee. Empapula za kugivaayo okuva ennaku z'omwezi 26 omwezi ogw'omukaaga okutuuka ng'ennaku z'omwezi 1 omwezi ogw'omusanvu 2025 2025. Ennaku zino zonna abantu bajja kubeera baddende okugyayo empapula zaabwe okugyayo olw'omukaaga gwokka. National Chairman era nga ye President w'eggwanga olunaku lw'amizaamiinze ng'ayagala agyeyo empapula ze. Bw'aba asima y'amanye ebirala by'akola. Bw'asiima ayogerako eri abantu ababeerawo. Bw'asiima asingalamu n'abantu ababa bazze. Ekyo kijja kubeera gyali naye nga ffe twetegese ng'ennaku z'omwezi 28 olw'omukaaga luno olujja akime empapula ku bifo 2 ekyokutukwatira bendera ku kifo ky'obwa president n'okubeera national chairman obwa NRM. Kino
as a young person from Chiboga, the reason why I'm contesting for this position majorly is I believe that youth people or young people in Uganda, there is something that has been lacking, especially in their kind of leadership. I believe and I hope that Uganda as a region has been lacking leadership which is bold, which is practical and relatable. And I am one of them. I have expressed the struggles of young people in this region, and I know the dreams of young people again in this region. That's why today I offer myself to stand before this great region to represent and ask you to allow me be your voice.
I also talked to you about the ferries and the great weather, Nakatoro, Iringa, Kukungu Road, and the ferries. I need to see those accomplished. The ships are there, but they are not yet operational. It's something we have been looking for the last 30 years. It's almost done, but we want to see it done completely. I talked to you about the nuclear plant, which is the beginning, and that I wanted to support my people to be able to benefit from the nuclear plant and also to address the issue of the environment and what might affect you, and also the application sector. I also talked to you about the schools and the health center and all the other work that we have to do, of course, to support the general system of the internet, which can be doing later this year. So I'm really happy and I'm ready to work. Thank you very much for the support of the people of Uganda.
Tugenda contesting Ambara City House. Tusaba obuwagizi bw'abantu
This time in Pereza, on behalf of the NRM Electoral Commission, I duly nominate Mr. Pereza Oscar to contest for the Tanga East County constituency in Karugu district in the Assembly of Western Uganda.
property tax, tulina obuzibu bw'enguudo, tulina obuzibu bw'okuba nti bannaffe ba youth tebalina mirimu. Ebyo byonna bye tulina mu manifesto yaffe okulabika nti tutuusa obulungi.
Erinnya nze Ajabu Kiyimba. Olwaleero maze okukkirizibwa akatooka ebyokulonda ak'ekibiina kyange ekya-NRM ogenda okwesimbawo okuvuganya ku ntebe ya Parliament ya Busiro East Constituency. Era okusinziira ku biwandiiko byonna byendeese, akakiiko kabyetegereza bulungi ne kasalawo ne kagamba nti ŋŋwanidde okugenda okuvuganya ku ntebe eya Busiro Constituency. Era mbasuubiza ng'omukulembeze abadde webba.
With my forms, and I've been duly nominated as the aspirant of Tanga County. Telangat Nancy Rose are my names, and I want to tell the people of Tanga County that now, Tanga County, Kaptura District, that now I've been nominated. We are now going for the battlefield, and my people, I call upon your support, the women, the youth, and all the elders. Please, let's come and rally behind Telangat Nancy, because she's the best candidate for this race. And come 16th July, we are going to be celebrating. And come also 12th of January 2026, we are going to Parliament and we are going to represent the people of Tanga, beginning with water, then education. Electricity. We have many areas that electricity has not reached there. I want to inform you, people of Tanga County, that in the first 90 days, we are going to have electricity all over in our villages. And by the end of 2026, each one will be taking safe drinking water. And by the results of 2026 also, we shall have a better performance than what we've been having. I want to implore the people of Tanga that I Telangat, even with the feeder roads, all of us shall have better roads bringing us to the market, such that the 1 billion that is given to the local government, they are not doing their work. Because personally, I've been in those feeder roads and the roads are very bad. So I will sit with the council, we do the planning of when the budget is released, and also when this money is released, we follow up what are the priorities. So our roads are priority.